Okay. So, yung Monday, very ang video natin because internet connection problems. So ngayon hopefully dire-diretso. Sabi ko nga nung orientation, okay lang kung kayo yung pawala-wala basta ako straight or dire-diretso because you have your video file naman. You can download or watch. However, ako yung nagkaroon ng technical difficulties nung Monday. So, medyo yan. So, for this afternoon, puro lang tayo review until tomorrow. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow, Thursday. Your post-assessment is on Friday. So, yan. Kung mapapansin nyo, very konti lang naman yung discussion for isometric. So, pinapaprolong ko lang, pinapapractice ko lang kayo kasi repetition lang naman kay AutoCAD. Wait. May electric fan. So, yan. So, for this afternoon, we're going to practice or kung hindi nyo pa nagagawa. Ay, by the way, nag-start na uli akong check ng outputs. Kaya lang naputol. So, nag-brown out na naman kami. Nag-resume lang. Then, I'll continue it later before I do my other task here sa office. So, yan. So, yung mga nakapasa na, please expect your feedback today or this afternoon after the class. Okay, so again, we're going to review or parang analyze the other plates I've provided or I've given. So, kung hindi nyo pa nagagawa yung object, at least makikita nyo muna how I do it. Then you can adjust or you can find your own way to replicate the object. So, yun. Also, konti pa lang kayo eh. I've sent the link dun sa registration for module 3 which is basic 3D. So dire-diretso medyo madali lang or medyo fast paced lang. Today I've provided you the link, the registration link. Tomorrow I'll post this or I'll post the link dun sa Facebook page ng school. Then syempre maghihintay na naman ako. So we should have a minimum 25. So maximum is 30 or 35 dun sa class. Pag medyo kulang, kaya maaga ako nagbigay ng link or magbibigay ng link para at least mahabol ko yung numbers because yun nga sayang yung oras ano. Also, if you have friends or colleagues na my basic knowledge na in 2D drawing, they can skip the module 2 kung gusto nila or i-take na lang nila next year yung module 2. They can enroll dun sa module 3 which is basic 3D nga. So yan, mga solid modeling. Pero pinaka talaga dyan, pinaka requirement is basic knowledge of 2D drawing. Kung hindi pa talaga, kung wala pang background, may hirapan. So, you need to review first yung 2D drawing before you skip or before you proceed with 3D o basic 3D. Kasi yun yung base. What else? So, yan. As far as yung mga na-handle or may mga na-check na ako more on first or first plates pa lang yung nakukuha ko. So, hindi pa ako nag-aabot dun sa mga may second and third. So, yan. Here, dun sa, simulan ko na, sandali. 1, 2, 3, 4 pa lang. Okay. Hindi ba nila nabasa yung link? Check ko. Anyway, dahil meron naman nga video file, baka naglalag yung connection because it's raining. So, yan. So, sige, simulan ko na. Kung wala naman kayo masasuggest. So, for this one, this is job sheet pa to? Project sheet. Job sheet, B3. So, here, sabi nga dito, create a new file or pwede nyo naman ilagay dun sa other, pero mas maganda kasing new file na lang siya para at least you create yung dimension styles, and all. So yan, here you need to create the isometric object. Tapos syempre, lalagyan nyo ng annotation or dimensions. Then, you need to create the orthographic view of the object also with annotations or with dimensions. So first, sige, gawin natin yung isometric muna. So, sa model tayo. So here. Parang i-replicate ko lang first, sabi ko nga, you need to analyze or strategize where you should start. Kasi kung baralanggo, medyo mas matatagalan ka because parang mali pala yung analyzation mo. Magdi-delete ka na naman or worse, you will start from the very beginning. So, kailangan time, hindi ko mahanap yung word. Time conscious. Pwede ba yun? Pero for beginners, okay lang medyo matagal. Pero as you practice more, dapat pabawas ng pabawas yung time consumed nyo dun sa object. So, yan. Maski ako, I do practice pa rin. Not because instructor ako, hindi na ako magpa-practice, no. So, there are times na pag hindi ako masyadong busy with my other office works, puro lang AutoCAD yung ginagawa ko or puro lang drawing. No, yan. So, here, what I can do or para sa akin, I'll start with the left side face of the object. So, ito muna ang gagawin ko. I'll do the outline kasi after, pwede mo nang gawin yung mga components sa loob or mga ellipse or isocircles. So, here, what we need is, given naman yung height, that's 45 by 36 or 36 by 45. That's okay. Make sure that you turned on your ortho mode para mas madali. Then, here, let's see. You need to parang activate a layer. So, para mas madali mo siyang ma-manipulate later. So, here, let's have ISO. Pero papalitan ko yung color. Pink tayo. Pink ba to? Pink. Lalataw ba siya? Tapos sabihin natin, okay na yan. So, this one, I'll activate the ISO. So, naka-ISO tayo. So, magdo-drawing na tayo. So, line. So, this one, this is 36. Naka-turn on ang naka-turn on ang line weight. So, that's fine. 36 by 45. Again, this is 36. You need to close. So, yan. This is your outline of the left side view. So, yan. Walang problema. Dito, may pala siya, may siwang. So, pwede mo na siyang ilagay. This is 25 by 3. So, gawa na naman ako dito ng line. This is 25, then 3. So, here, kahit hindi mo na ilagay 25, you extend this na lang. So, afterwards, you can trim. Hindi ko muna itong ititrim na nasa ilalim because we're going to use that for this part. Okay? So, later, relax your body parts. So, for this one, what we need now is the 15 here from this corner. So, again, we're going to create a line with 15 length. Then, i-extend mo lang here. Similar. Similar lang doon sa kanina. Tapos saka mo i-trim. Okay, mamaya na lang ako mag-trim. Then, this 24, this is where the center of this isocircle lies together with the 18 here. So, 24 by 18. Doon mo hahanapin yung center ng isocircle. So, we're going to create another reference line. So, this is 24. Okay. 24. Then, punta ka dyan. This is 18. Okay. That's another reference line. Another one is 12 from the top. From the top. Naalala ko lang. So, yan. 12 pababa. Then, extend mo na naman. So, 12. Then, extend. So, here, I'm going to trim this. Yan. So, para natin magawa yung curve na to, again, the center of this is 24 by 18. So, dito siya. So, EL, I, then for this one, endpoint, the radius is 15. Okay. That's it. Now, you can trim na yung mga excess lines mo. So, here, one technique, if not for trim, or bago ka mag-trim, you need to delete or you need to erase the parang multiple lines. So like for this one, this part, we have 3 overlapping lines. So again, you can use overkill, the command overkill. Tapos, i-delete niya yung mga redundant lines niya. So, when you click OK or press OK, so you can see that the other or the 2 other lines have been deleted. So, isa na lang yan. So, mas madali kang mag-trim. So, when you trim, eto na lang. So, that's fine. Yan. Tada! So, I'll delete this part. Okay. As you can see, I did not trim this because hindi ko pa naman kasi nagagawa itong length na to. So, bago natin i-delete, let's create muna. Pero, ang sunod kong gagawin is this part. So, 18 and the 6. So, for this one, ano ba yung kailangan na makopy? So, I need this, and also this one. I'll use the copy command, toggle. So, endpoint to 6. So, yan na. Then, for this part, I need this and this one as well. So, I'll copy. Endpoint. Then, the length is 18. Yan. For the lines, yung mga kanto, you can have it create one line, then use the copy command. So, yan. This one also. So, well, again, depende sa inyong magiging strategy. Then, for this one, you need to trim this excess. So, itong tinitrim, ibig sabihin, hindi naman siya makikita because of this line. So, you can practice your vision or how you visualize sa mga objects nyo dyan sa bahay. Yung mga simple objects, what you can do is, if you have a box or other stuff, itapat nyo muna sa sarili nyo. Then, pag nakita nyo na harapan, you can tilt it, siguro mga, hindi mo naman mame-measure na 30 degrees mo iti-tilt, but still tilting the object will help you analyze kung ano yung makikita, ano yung mawawala. So, yan. So, this one, okay. Ito ay ikakopy natin pala sa taas. Yan. Then, as you can see, we'll create a line here, a straight line. Yan. We can copy this dun sa kabilang side. Yan. Then, for this, ibig sabihin, sorry. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya makikita na. Kasi pag in-extend mo yan, ito yung nakikita sa likod. But we do not need this one. So, we're going to trim this. Okay. Now, let's create this ellipse in this part. So, itong ellipse na to, this is not located dito sa face. If we hatch this. This one, hindi ito lapat dito. Ito ay nakalapat sa ditong part. So, I'll change the color. Yan. Dito siya. So, sa loob, this part. So, we're going to toggle ELI. We need to detect the center of the first, or itong ellipse na to na nasa loob. Yan. Then, diameter 12. Okay. Kala mo, nagdukot? No. So, yan. After we created this and this part, let's proceed with the right side. So, for the right side, toggle na naman. Yan. So, we have 36. No, not 36. The 73. So, whole length. Length is 73. Okay, the height of this is 13. So, to create the intersection of this line and this part, pwede mo naman langkawan or pwede mong pasobrahan. Then, afterwards, you extend. So, yan. Then, pwede na natin kunin yung 36 dito sa part na to. Hindi na ako mag-start dito sa baba. Dito na because ito na siya eh. Diba? Lalagyan lang natin ng line. So, this is 36. Then, ibaba mo na. You can trim na. You can trim. Or, trim mo lang yan. Huwag mo muna ito because pwede nating later na siya i-trim pag natapos na tayong maglagay ng dimension. So, ang kulang nito is itong line. Then the other one here. Then do not forget to trim. Another one, nag-disconnect na naman. Okay. Continue. Wait, share screen. Hi. Okay, sabi ko nga, we can trim this pag naka-create na tayo ng dimension here. So, sunod na itong part na to. So, this one, this is, ano to? 36, 12, 12. 12, 12, and 12. So, yan. 12. So, 12 ulit. Then, 12 ulit. Then, toggle. Pasobrahan mo na naman. Then, trim. Tanggalin ko na to. Hindi. I'll move this. I'll move this to 25 here. Bakit ko i-move muna? Because I'm going to use or I'm going to create an ellipse, isocircle, base dito sa midpoint papunta dyan. So, para mas madali. So, here, I'm going to connect this line here and Copy na lang. Then, trim and erase. Okay. So, for this one, you can copy. Okay. Make sure that you are using the correct object snap. So, para sakto tayo. So, yan. That's your object. Now, I'm going to create the dimension. So, ano ba? Pwede na yata to. Anong isometric? Tama. No, isometric. Okay. If you have a lot of dimension styles, make sure you use the correct one for your object. Okay. So now we're going to create the dimension first, or one part of the dimension. So align. Use the correct isoplane. This one. That's 25. Another one is this. Then what I need is this one. Ano pa? Isa lang naman to eh. So hindi ko siya ilalahat. But ang gagawin ko lang parang base. Yan. Okay. So afterwards, you can you can modify na, dim edit. Isa lang. So, dim edit, oblique, choose your points. Then, oblique angle of the text, Control A, oblique angle is -30. Yan, papatindogon mo. Next, this one, dim edit, oblique, reference points. Yan. Select, tapos 30. Then, make sure that for your dimension, ito yung nalilimutan eh. Again, let me remind you na for text, dapat align with dimension line. Aligned with dimension line para mas madali ka nang mag-tilt or mag-oblique nung text angle ng text. So this one, dim edit again. Oblique. Ang gagayahan ko is this one. Then, Control A, -30, I think. So again, process man lang siya. Yan. Okay. Paulit-ulit na process. So, you just have to practice. So, dim edit again. Oblique. This one. Then, for the oblique angle or text angle, this is -30. You can try kung gusto nyong mamali muna tapos alamin nyo kung saan ba talaga yung angle niya. That's fine. It's better to use reference points rather than typing the angle. Kasi minsan sa pagmamadali natin, actually similar din naman sa pag-click ng points. Sa pagmamadali, syempre namamali yung nakukuhang points or natatype. Mali. Bakit dito? So this one, -30. Mali. So yan. Sabi ko na eh. This is 30. Dun. So after, you can use the your previous dimension. Kakopy mo na lang. So again, this is not Daya. This is just working smart. Yeah. Copy. Mali. Wala. Iusog ko lang ini pag ganyan para mas madaling modify this one. So, yan. I can use this. So, ito medyo user ano na lang to eh. User dimension or saan siya pupunta. Another one, copy. This one, I need the reference line here. So, pwedeng you create a line dito. Tapos saka mo siya. INT. So pag nagkaroon ka ng ibang moment, huwag mag-alala. There's still room for adjustment. Hindi naman to ano, kung kaya mo na isahan, why not? Pero kung hindi, huwag mong pilitin ang sarili mo. You can, because you're using AutoCAD, mas madali siyang mag-modify. Hindi ka na, as much as possible, sabi ko nga, huwag uulit sa pinakapuon. You can, there's something, mali. Mali ang point. So make sure you are using the correct points. So, okay. 45, 24, 15. Nasaan na ba ako habang nagkukwento? With this one. Ang kailangan mo lang naman kasi is your base dimension, or not base dimension, pero yung parang magagayahan mo. So, yan. Pag may magagayahan ka na, copy na lang. Make sure that the dimensions are tama. So, 1, 2, 3 na lang kayong natitira. That's fine. Well, gusto ko man na lahat kayo present dahil umuulan at saka may mga concerns. So, yun. What else? This one. Okay. Oh, so ito ang wala tayo. Okay. So having this is much better kaysa, or is much easier rather than creating this all dimension from scratch. So ito lang ang gagawa natin. Dim edit. Okay, copy. Tada! Okay, so that's your object. Tama na ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hindi pa. May, anong tawag dito? May ISO. Hindi. May multi-leader pa. So, sa multi-leader, lalagay ko lang. Okay. This is diameter 12. Okay, so the text is different. What I am going to do, punta tayo sa isometric na to. Yung text niya ang ano, ayun. So dapat isometric lang. Si isometric na, yeah. Then the other one is R15. R15. Negative 30. So, ilang minutes na? Nag-start ako anong oras? So, less than 20. Less than 20 minutes. For this part lang ha. For the isometric object and then the dimensions. So, yun lang to. Dapat mga 20 to 30 minutes. We're going to proceed with the orthographic view. So, again, we're going to base the view based dun sa ating isometric. Wait lang ha. Okay, so here, because we're doing the orthographic view na, I'll deactivate the iso draft or the isoplane. So, dapat crosshair na. So, first, ano ang mas madali? Gibuhon sa yung top, side, or left. Most of the time, ang inuuna ko is the top view. Depende sa object. Pero for here, mas madali para sa akin siguro yung top view. So for the top view, para lang din siyang rectangle. Well, rectangle. So before, let's use the top. The top. Ay, palitan natin ng color yung top. Yan. Yung top ang gagamitan natin. Top. So here, gawa tayong rectangle. Ay, masyadong light color. Dapat medyo dark para nakikita nyo. Yan. Yan. Then, D, 73 by, ito, 36. Yan. Boom. Then, I'll explode para mas madali. Offset through. This is 18. Select muna. Then, 18. This one, 12. This one is 12. Then, ito ay 25. Okay. So, walang problema kung mag-excess kasi may trim command naman. Yan. Circle. And then, so, nag-start ako mga 1:33, ano? So, tingnan natin kung ilang minutes natin ito magagawa. Next, ito, 25/36. Ay, tama ba? 25. 25/36. Mag-rectang ka ulit from here. Tapos, dimension 36/25. Okay. So, for this one, we need this. Ay. Ito, I will explode this because this one, I'll change the layer to hidden kasi nasa ilalim siya eh. O, 'di ba? So hindi naman talaga siya nakikita pag tiningnan mo yung object sa taas. So to indicate that there's a space dun sa dun sa part ng object sa ilalim or sa gitna, you uh, change this or you indicate it by a dash line. Next, for this one, I need from the center, ilan to? Center 6. I'll get the center here, mid. Tapos 6. Gawa lang ako ng line. Then, ilan ang radius nito? 15. I'll offset this with 15. Oh. Wait. 36 ba to? 12, 12, 36. Radius 15. Oo. No. Okay, may hindi pa. Sorry, na-distract lang ako. So ito, hindi siya 15. Kailangan natin makuha itong part na ito, itong length. So for this one, I need 6. O kaya mag-base ka dun sa ginawa mong isometric object. So ilan ba ito? So 6. So sakto siyang 6. So walang problema. From this part or this point, 6 dyan. So I'll move this here. Yan. Then, ito. Mirror na lang. So, isa pa. This one, and this one, anong tawag dito? Hidden. Then, actually, ito eh. Hindi siya naka-indicate na butas siya, pero butas talaga siya. This is 12. 12 ang diameter, so offset kang 6. So this one will use center. So ibig sabihin may center siya dyan kasi may bilog. Actually, pwede mo itong ganyan. Ching. Kasi ibig sabihin, itong dalawang to, part nung circular nito. This one, i-MA mo na lang, MA. Ta-da. So that's your top view. Dimension na naman. So, punta tayo, annotate. Then, use current dimension. Then, orthographic. Lagay ka na lang dimension. So, kung gagayahin mo din ito, this one, extend pala to. Yan. Bakit kasama yan? Kasi may space baga. Ito yan o, itong cattle na to. So, here, we're going to use linear naman. Op, masyadong maliit. Let's change this. Anong pwede? Masyadong malaki. Okay, sige. Palitan lang natin ng scale. Hindi na ako gagawa ng panibago. So, kung ano yung meron ako. This is 10. Then, primary units. Pwedeng 0 kasi wala naman tayong mga decimal places. Masyado pang malaki. Ano lagay dito? Orthographic eh. Ortho yung babaguhin ko. Ortho, modify. The fit? 7. Pwede na. So, ortho, you activate the ortho. Then, pwede dito. Yan. Okay. Next. Pwede naman din. Tanggalin. I-extend ko to. For this one, pwedeng hindi mo pala ilagay all dito sa top. Like, you can't include the height of this one here. So, kung ano yung pwede mo lang ilagay dyan, much better. So, meron ba tayo? This one, mas madali. Okay. Yan. Do not forget to save. Next, naka-ano na ako, 11 minutes. 11 minutes for the top view. Then, let's proceed with the, ano ba? Right side view, no? So, sabi ko nga, medyo dapat align. Yan lang. I-align lang natin. So, I'm still using the top layer. So, this one, the right side. So, blue naman. So, here, I'm going to create this one. INT. Hindi, INT. Hindi na ako magre-rectang because hindi naman siya kaya. So, 45. Ilan yun? 18. So, yan. Huwag mo muna. I-extend ko lang ng sobra. So, this one, 73. Akyat kang 13. Green. Dito ka magre-rectang. Dito sa ilalim na to. So, this one, This is 36 by 3. Up, wrong. Correct. Dimension, 36 by 3. Wala akong ilalagay na dash line because ito yan eh. Nakikita mo naman yung katal. So, wala dyan dash line. So, here, I'm going to this one. Trim. Trim. Reference. This one, this is your hidden. And this one, this is your center. Ganyan. Tadaan. So, what else? So, pwedeng hindi muna natin ilagay yung line here kasi magbabase tayo dun sa gagawin nating left side. So, this one, I'll extend this here. Tapos, gagawa ako ng isang reference line. I'll change this to the left side. Yan. Color pink. Dito, pwede ka na uli mag-rectang. Dimension is 36 by ano to? 45. Okay. So, dapat ito align. Align siya. Next. Natin to. This is 12. Okay. Explode. Para mas madali. I'll delete this. 24. Offset. 24. Yan. Nandito yung center. So, I'll create a circle. Na may radius 15. Another one, diameter 12. Okay. Tanggalin ito. Offset through this one, 12 pababa. Ito, 15 pataas. Okay. So, we can trim this one. Trim this. Okay. Hindi naman. Etong gilid, syempre hindi ko yan ititrim because meron pa rin naman siya. Pag tinrim mo yan, ibig sabihin wala na siya. Pag tinabingi mo, hindi na siya makikita maski yung side. So, because this is still seen, lalo na sa left side, hindi yan mawawala. So here, what we do, ito kaya ay may thickness na 6. So I'll offset this to 6. Yan. We need this one. Yan. Then, ito. Ito pa. So, mas madali kung gumagamit tayo ng reference line. Okay. Yung mga pawala-wala ang signal, it's okay. Basta dire-diretso lang ako. This one. Ito, tatanggal ko. Aha, 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 aha. Tapos, sige. Trim this. This one, this is not seen. So, i-MA ko na lang para hindi ko na ano. Then, ito, hindi to seen. This one is solid line. So, I'll delete this. Ito ay center. Ito solid line. Then, ito pa. Tijin. This is MA. Okay. So, hindi ito nakikita. Ito yung part nito. Okay. So, this one. Ito. So, minsan, para ano din ako sa ugak. So, hindi ko sinasabing gayahin ninyo. I'll use this. I'll turn off the dimension muna, the dimension layer, para hindi siya makopya. I'll copy. CO. And dito, then, RO. I'll rotate. Yan. Tapos minsan, bababa ko yan. Kailangan ko kasi ito. Tapos, hanggang saan to? This is different here. Okay. So, we're going to trim this. Then, ito, yan, tatanggalin natin. Okay, so this one also, this is hidden line. Nasaan na? Yun, hidden. Lagay ka na lang sa gitna ng isang linya. Gawin mo tong center. Okay. Yan, again, yung hidden line, ibig sabihin hindi siya nakikita. Ay, ito pa, wala pa. So this is, ilan to? Balik natin ang dimension. This is 25 by 3. So, recta. Dimension, 25 by 3. Diba? Then, delete this. This also. Ano pa yung mga kailangan na dimension? Nandun na yun. Iyon na din yan. This one, pwede naman itong dimensionan. So, radius. Dito ka na lang maglagay. Radius 6. Dito ka dun sa iba. Pwede here. 15. Then, dito. This is 24. Yes. What else? This one again. Yan. Kuha ba? Oh, pwede naman itong hindi ilagay kasi you have 25 and 36 here also. Pero depende sa inyo. Okay, this one I can. O minsan ganito. Ewan ko kung ginagawa ng iba. So, I use this. So, ibig sabihin, from the bottom part, until dito. Yan. Kaya nga dapat pantay siya. So what we need is the radius and diameter. So this is 15. Then the other one is diameter. So, yan. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, dapat ito 19. Kung tatanggalin ko to, dapat 19 din yung makikita kong dimension here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Kulang ako ng dalawa. I have the dimension, the length is 25, 12, 12. Anong kulang ko? Ay, hindi ba kasali? Ito. Yan. So, nandun na siya eh. So, I have this. Okay. Get. So, this one. Pwede rin siya dyan. Okay. So, doble na. Oh, yan. So, this is your top view, left side, right side view. So, ano oras ako? Mga less than 1 hour. Si tatlo na ay 4 plus the dimension. So, yan. Question, guys, regarding this job sheet 3. Naintindihan po. So, yan. Let's have another one para at least may reference kayo. Sige, pili. Yung sa mga nandito. 1, 2, or 3. Or the project sheet, the activity sheet, or the job sheet. Wala. Sige. Ito na lang job sheet. Okay lang ba? So, job sheet. I'll copy this. Wait lang. Gagawin natin dito sa taas na part. So, I'll use 2 vertical configuration. Yan. Tapos dito natin gagawin. So, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, I'll be creating this job sheet 4. Okay, similarly dun sa ginawa natin kanina, pwedeng i-analyze. I-analyze muna kung saan kayo magsa-start, anong part, anong view or kayo magsa-start. So for me, mas madali sa akin kung itong part, yung right side part ang uunahin ko. So to do this, I'll activate the iso draft or yung isometric snap. I'll use this cursor. So let us ano muna, let us create the entire line here. This is 100. Okay. Okay. Let's use or ano ba ang mga layers ko dito. So, ISO. Sa ISO, I'll change the color to something darker. Yan. Violet. Pwede na ba to? Okay. So, after activating the ISO draft, always turn on your ortho mode. So, yan. This is 100. Yan. Then, this one is 10. So, balik naman natin. Thickness niya is 100. Thickness niya is 10. So, if you have 100 less 10, this is 90. Okay. Tama ba? Okay lang. Line. Then, ang height nito is 40. Pero may 10 ka na. So, 30. 10 ka na naman dyan. 40. Tama. 40. This is 100. Okay. Next. Si layout part muna, ano? For this one, I'll toggle to the other side. This is 50. Okay, so for this one, makaka-copy na lang ako. I'll use the object snap para mas madali. Ay, sobra. Nag-object snap pa ako. Okay. Next, itong part na to, copy. Mas maganda na meron kayong base nung ating kanto, yung kantuhan ng object para mas madaling kunin yung object snap for the curves. Okay, so next, we're going to measure or we're going to create a line, a reference line for the center of this isocircle. So 48 daw galing dito sa kanto. Change the plane. So line 48. So this one, yan lang, parang binaba ko siya as reference kahit tanggalin ko itong linya na ito, may reference pa rin ako nung magiging center ng ating isocircle. So ELI for this one, the diameter, hindi naman naka-indicate na diameter siya, pero mas center niya kasi ito. Then, from this point to this one, this is 36. So, automatic. In your analyzation, that is your diameter. So, this one, 36 as the diameter. Up. Ang ginawa ko, radius. Hindi ako nag-D. So, yan. D, 36. Then, another one ay from this center. The other one is radius 28. So, yan na. Pwede ka na mag-trim. Yan. So, here, first, I'm going to trim this part. Tapos, the other one is this one. Tapos, saka mo na ito tanggalin. Or mas madali. So, as you can see, I did not delete this muna because I need this for reference later sa ating paglagay ng dimension. After you created the dimension, that's where you can delete the excess lines. So, yan. For this one, galing dito, mamaya na yung ibang components niyan. We can see or dapat, hindi ko binigay yung radius. But still, this one, similar siya. So, 26, ilan yung ano niya? 50. So, 24. 26, so 24 yung tada. Divided by 2, that's 12. So, radius 12. This one is radius 12. Okay, so for this one, baba ka ng 12. Tapos punta ka doon. 12. 12. Okay. So, this one also, pwede mo i-copy dito. Ito rin. So, dapat nandiyan dyan yung center ng iyong curve here. So, ELI. Okay. Endpoint. Siyempre, hindi ito. You can toggle. 12. 12. Then, copy. Huwag ka muna mag-copy. Kasi kailangan natin itong curve na to. So, this one, yung ellipse, isocircle na to, this has a diameter 10. ELI. Diameter 10. So, ito na yung pwede mong i-copy. Para hindi ka na makopy ka uli another one. So, from this point, hindi. Ando ko muna. So, ito ang kailangan nating makopya sa ditong part sa dulo. So, I'll use this copy. Tapos, our reference or base point is this one, papunta here. Yan. So, para makakonect ka, we need line. Ito, hindi ito makikita because nasa ilalim siya. Delete mo na yan. Ang kailangan natin is this one, connecting here. Pero again, hindi siya nakikita. So, you're going to delete this. And wag mo na yan. Yan part. Kasi baka makita pa siya dito sa gagawin natin here. So, for this part, we need to detect the quadrant. Ayun siya. So, i-connect mo siya dun sa another quadrant sa kabila. Yan. Then, you trim the excess, yung mga hindi nakikita. So, afterwards, ito. Yan. Okay. So, trim. Trim, trim, trim. Okay. So, for this one, we need this to be copied pababa. So, yan. Then, similarly, dun sa ginawa natin ditong part, quadrant to quadrant. So, we need to detect this. Up. Quad. Para mas madali. So, I'll trim. This one, mapapansin nyo, iba yung color niya. So, what I did here is I break. Nag-break ako. Break command. Actually, hindi na pala. Ito ang binrake ko, yung full line. So, break. Dapat. Okay. Break. Break talaga. So, this one here. Then, ito din. Papunta dito. Op. Same dito. Kasi, yun yung pagbabasihan mo nung dimension. Extend. So, you can have this set to a different layer. So, sige. Oh, anong ili-layer ko? Wala akong sabihin na lang dash na lang. Sige. Oh, pwede na yan. So this one also I'll trim. Okay. Now for this part, yung excess. Hindi excess, yung butas. This is the middle part, tapos 25 pataas. So, here, mid 25. Then, ito daw, ang distance nito is 12. So, automatic, the diameter of your ellipse here, isocircle, is 12. So, ELI, diameter 12. So, dahil naka-on ang ortho mo, ay hindi dyan. So, we need this. Trim. Move. Diameter, so 6. Then, copy. This one, 12. So, again, depende sa inyong magiging strategy. So, I will now copy this part. Endpoint, END, then, tapos, 10. Ibig sabihin, nakikita mo na dapat ang hindi nakikita. Saka makikita mo na din kung saan yung makikita. Am I making sense? So, trim. Trim this. Delete this. Trim this. And this. Pero ito ititrim mo. So, hindi mo ito makikita. Ito rin. Then, this one. Okay. Now, the excess here, I will trim. Then, ang kulang na lang dito, ito. Afterwards, you trim. Okay. So, may kulang pa. Ito pa pala. So, radius 5. So, reference line. 5, 5. So, pareho dito. Hindi kasi pwedeng mag-mirror eh. Let's see. Tama naman yung reference line. ELI. This is 5. Copy. Endpoint to endpoint. So this one. Tsaka ito. Copy. Center to center. Okay. For this one, let's trim. Before you trim, quadrant to quadrant ka muna. So, may mga parts dito na you can trim. Pag hindi mo na trim, ibig sabihin, individual line siya. Makukuha mo siya sa delete. So, this one, trace. This one also trim. Ito dapat So, yan. Okay. Now we're going to add the dimension. Hmm, naka-dimension na, no? Annotate. Dimension. Use current. Doon ka sa dimension na layer. Tingnan natin. Isometric. Tingnan natin kung tama. So here, align. Okay, pwede. From this point, midpoint, hanggang sa center. Yan. Base ko lang naman siya, what else? So dito, I need this muna pala. Kasi babasihan ko later. So for this one, meron ka na dyan. Dito, okay na. Dito sa kabilang part. This one, pababa. Okay. Ang ginagawa ko, yung mga kokopyahan ko lang. What I mean, kopyahan. Yung mas madali kang maka-create ng a dimension. What I need is this one. Extend. Okay. So, gawa tayo ng i-change na natin yung sa dim edit yung oblique angle. So, oblique. Okay, so this one, change the angle. So this is -30. Up. Wrong. This should be positive. Ay. 31 yung nilagay ko. So, afterwards, I'll move this here. 19 minutes na. This one, then edit. Oblique. So, as you can see, repetition lang. Super repetition ng mga ginagawa. Wait. So, kung hindi nyo naman talaga need na i-memorize all throughout. Kasi afterwards, pag nasanay na kayo, parang pare-pareho lang naman yung ginagawa. What else? Okay. So habang nanonood kayo, okay. Sana nakukuha yung process. Kung sa pag-practice ninyo, mapapansin nyo naman na mabibilis kayo. So, ngayon, kung medyo sa tingin nyo is slow pa, that's fine. Kasi darating din naman yung time na bibilis kayo. Basta, pag-practice. At yes. Oh, so okay na. Oh, again, copy. Tatanggalin ko na muna yung ortho para mas madali. Yan. This one, I'll copy this to this. Mhm. Okay, so ito, extend ko here. I'll break this also. So as you can see, meron lang akong reference line. This is for, dapat naka-ortho tayo. Para straight. So this is center. I'll extend. So yan yung center. Ibig sabihin center ng iyong curve or iso circuit. What else? Copy. So this one, you can move a little to the left or a little to the right para hindi siya magambala ng ibang dimension. So for this one, we need, ito, kailangan natin. So this one, this is copy. Copy, hindi copy. MA. So, ito ay center. This is 40. Another one. Okay, so again, do not worry kung medyo kumibang. Magbabase lang siya. Okay, this is 100. What else? So, this one, actually, dapat dito center pala to eh. Center. Yeah. Copy. Mid. I'll use this here. As MA. For this one as well. F5. I'll use the midpoint. Ay, miss. Mid. Extend mo lang yan. This one. Pasok mo dun. So, M. Ay, M. Center. Okay, so, let's see. Tama na ba? Fourth. Meron pa akong hindi nalalagay. This one. Move. Ay, not that. Yung alignment nyo, kayo na lang mag-practice. So, yan. What we need is the radius here. Up. Okay. So, ano to? Isometric. So, this one, we use isometric. So, R28. No. No, wait lang. Kailangan kong activated dimension. Nasaan ako? Annotate, multi-leader. This is R28. 30. So, kung maliit, ibig sabihin hindi siya swak. So, you can modify separately yung scale ni multi-leader mo. Sabihin natin 7, I think. Yan, pwede na. Hindi pa. 7. 9. Yan, pwede na. So, this one, ang hindi nakasama kasi dito or sa paggawa ko, hindi ko nilagay yung symbol ng diameter. But you can add that as well. Kasi ano naman siya understood naman na diameter siya. Pero if you want to add the symbol for diameter, you can do so. For this one, distance kaya siya, but it is the diameter of this hole. Pwede rin. This one. Hindi pa. So, R5. So, here, so, R5. Be careful lang pag nagmo-modify kayo ng scale sa multi-leader kasi ito ang mangyayari. Yan, Ching. So, if this happens when you modify the scale or any other component sa inyong multi-leader style, you need to redo it para maging maayos. But then again, okay lang. So yan na, hindi ko na muna gagawin yung orthographic. Kayo na, but kayo na yan. Imagine what it looks like on top, on front, or left side rather, tsaka right side. So yan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Natada. Kakachika ko. Okay, wait ha. May i-answer na ako. Wait. Okay, so yan. That's for job sheet to, no? Job sheet 4. So, punta naman tayo sa last one. 5 sample. Tingnan natin. So again, ito po kasi yung 5 is, ang given is two views only. Then you need to imagine what it looks like. Kasi usually, dun sa mga bagay, mas madali kung tatlong view ang given. Pero dahil dito dalawa, you need to work your brain. Parang patrabahuhin mo yung utak mo paano mo siya ma-imagine. So, sige. Okay. So sige, ito na lang project sheet 5. Tama, 5.3. So I'll be doing this na lang as sample, yung ano lang, the isometric view. Okay. Let me just screenshot this para sa ibang file ko gawin. Okay. May screenshot na ba siya? Ayun. Tada! So I'll create a new one. A new file. And I'll turn off the grid. So yan. Viewport to. Yan. Tadaan! Tapos, sabi ko nga, no, work smarter. Kukuha ako dito. Dito na lang. Kukuha ako na may mga layers na. So what I'll do, dali, ano mga may color ko dito. So yan. I'll use this one. I'll copy here. Tapos, ipipaste ko. So, tadaan! Tadaan! Okay. So, once na nakopy ko na yung mga layer na kailangan ko, also the dimension styles, tada, orthographic ortho. Wala yung ISO. Sandali. This one, isometric. Ayun. So, nandiyan na. Nakopy na yung ating styles na kailangan. I will now erase this na. Para hindi na makagambala doon sa drawing ko. Ang kailangan ko lang naman kasi yung yung styles, the dimension style and layers. Yan. So again, work smarter. Okay, so in this object, you are given top view and right side view. Okay, for top view, hindi mo siya mai-imagine kung anong itsura niya. However, or makukuha mo yung kanyang form using the right side view. Okay? So, pwede mong gamitin or gawin muna itong right side view. So, right side. First, we need to create this one. Ito. So, EL, center, and diameter 20. Diameter 20. Another one ay diameter 30. Okay. So, lipat natin. Masyadong malapit. So, for this one, this has a thickness of 30. So, I'll copy. Okay, so naka-iso snap tayo pero hindi naka-on ng ortho. Sure, i-on para mas madali. This one, it's 30. Next, meron ka daw this part. So of course, from this point or from the center, papunta sa baba, ito na, ibababa ko na. Trim. From this end point, kailangan ko ng 25. Then, another one, 15. So, dapat nandiyan daw yung center nitong smaller arcs or smaller isocircles. So, yan. I'll copy I'll copy using this as my end base point. Then, ito yung offset point or kung saan ko ililipat. Gawin ko na ngayon yung isocircle na may radius or diameter 15. So, ELI, center, diameter 15. Then, copy again. Yes. So, I'll copy. 7.5. Then another one, 7.5. Ta-da! Okay, you can trim. Okay. Then, do not forget this one, the curve here. So, ELI. Hanggang dito. Yan. Okay. So, I'll copy this. From this point, 30. Yan. I'll trim the excess. Now, hindi naman siya, as you can see from the top view, hindi naman siya dito sa edge na to. So, this should be 10 paloob. Diba? So, para hindi naman masayang ang ating ginawa. Yan. This one also. Copy. Ay, copy. Move. Ano ba mas maganda? Move or copy? Move na lang. So, use this as my base point. And 10. Okay. Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Dapat selected pa siya muna. So, afterwards, we can copy it again. Tapos, the distance is 10. So, parang kakaiba. Saan mo siya kukunin? So, what we do is connect mo yung mga sa tingin mo o mga quadrant to quadrant. So, yan. We don't need this one, but if you want to, pwede naman siyang naka-hidden. So, ibig sabihin, inuutusan mo or pinapakita mo lang na hindi siya kasama or hindi siya lataw yung butas sa likod. So, yan. I can use MA in this one as well. Ito pa. This one to this point. Okay. So, ito kaya. Paano mo kukunin ito? So, what I do or yung isa sa mga ginagawa ko, I will copy this whole circle or whole isocircle to where itong 10 at saka itong distance na to. So, 10, 10, 20. Yung intersection nila, ititrim mo. Or dapat, yeah. Tadaan. Region. Natrim naman yan eh. Okay, so this one, trim. Then, saan ba to? Ito ang kailangan mo eh. Not the curve, but itong line na to. Next, op, ano yung hindi nakikita? Ito, I'll trim, ay, trim. This one, this is not seen. Oh, mali. Wait, tama ba? This one, this is parang ganyan. Or balik. I'll break. Pwede naman kasing i-break. So, pag nag-break ka, extend. This one, MA, then or mas madali pag hindi mo na ipapakita, ano? So, let's try this one. I'll copy para may reference ako. Kung tanggalin ko itong mga hidden ko, kung ano lang yung itsura niya isometrically. Copy ulit. Then, so for this one, what I need, kailangan ko ni copy ulit. So for this part, wait. Iyo. So yan. Okay. Yan na ang itsura niya. Okay? So, itong part, ito, this is this one. So, bakit kailangan ko ito? Kasi, ito yung nakadikit dito sa cylindrical part na ito. Of course, parang kinain na niya eh. If you're doing a solid model, etong cylinder is one object. This one is another object. Pag pinagsama mo siya, of course, kakainin nila ang each other, 'di ba? Or magjo-join forces sila. So yung edge na ito, this will be seen. So ito yung part na yan. Ito, to. Yan. So yan po. So I will just do the isometric of this one. So kayo na maglagay ng dimension, kayo na rin maglagay ng kailangan. Sandali. Wait. So yan guys, I hope nagets nyo yung mga chika ko. So I will now, may question ba before I end the session? Question please. O napusuan na ako, okay na yan. Okay na yan. So I hope, sana nga, hope na nga sana pa, sana nakuha ninyo yung mga process. Madali lang siya and this one is very parang repetitive. So makukuha nyo, mamamaster nyo siya kaka-practice. Now, there are parts in the post-assessment that needs your attention like this one. Ang given ngaya dalawa lang na views. So you need to create the third view at saka yung isometric view. So naka-indicate naman dun sa mga items sa post-assessment kung alin yung lalagyan ng dimension, alin yung hindi. Alin yung kailangan yung object lang, hindi na kailangan dimension. Or alin yung babaguhin nyo lang yung dimension style or babaguhin yung orientation. So, yung mga ginagawa ko about creating the parang ino-oblique yung mga dimensions, yung process noon, you need to master or you need to practice that. So, mas madali pa para sa inyo kung paano siya gawin. So, sabi ko nga 6 points yun. Worth 6 points. Tama ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The modification for dimensions and modifications for text. So yan, kung ano yung gagawin doon. So at least may puhunan na kayong 6. Anyway, so if you don't have more questions regarding this, I will now end the session. We will meet tomorrow for another review lecture or review video or review discussion. So para ma-ready din kayo sa post-assessment natin on Friday. We will start or I will also provide the steps or requirements, okay, rules for the post-assessment. So as much as possible, be here sa ating Zoom session para or just download or watch the video. So sabi ko nga last time, yung last session natin ng Monday, hindi ko in-upload sa YouTube because nakakahiya yung yung paputol-putol ang connection. But this one, I will upload this also dun sa ating Google Drive. So if you can't download the file through the Google Drive folder or our Google Drive folder sa BA008, you can watch this dun sa YouTube channel. Okay? So again, thank you so much for attending. I know medyo hindi kayo nagsasalita, ako lang, pero it's okay. I hope you learned something. Most of my spills, ganyan lang. I hope you learned something. I hope you apply what you grasp here in my discussion. Tapos, i-apply nyo sa inyong CAD files or sa inyong mga plates na i-send sa akin. So, again, thank you so much for attending. I hope to see you tomorrow. Then, do not forget to answer the attendance sheet form. Form for attendance. Bahala na kayo. So, yan po. Okay. So, again, kamsahamnida. See you tomorrow. Saranghe.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. I'll stop the share na. See you tomorrow. Peace out.